Welcome to our sewing studio. If you're a beginner, I suggest starting with this easy and useful home project to practice your sewing skills. I took a cotton fabric scrap and a piece of heavy fusible interfacing of the same size. I'll press it to the fabric with a hot iron. Subscribe for more, hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and thanks. I'll also use some elastic. Let's take a close look at how to properly sew on a button. This skill always comes in handy. Now, look at how neat and tidy these fabric cord organizers turn out. But the best part? They aren't just for phone chargers and USB cables. You can use these handy little wraps for keeping your laptop cords, headphones, hair accessories, or even rolled up socks completely tangle-free around the house. Because they are so quick and easy to make using leftover fabric scraps, you can easily sew a whole batch of them in different sizes. Selling them in matching sets is an amazing way to clear out your scrap bin and create a popular product for your handmade shop or craft fairs. Customers love buying these practical sets as thoughtful, budget-friendly gifts. If you enjoyed this quick 5-minute sewing tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below telling me what fabric prints you used, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss new beginner-friendly sewing hacks. See you in the next video!